Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bummed Adventures. Today we're just in toodyay and
we're down here for the weekend for the Easter school holidays in the Mudgee 200 behind us. We're just going to thrash around the block, do heaps of cool shit in Perth, and we'll bring you along with us. Let's go. Yo!
How's it gonna feel when you come down? You're choking on your spine.
Trying to piss the in-laws off.
No one left to fight for you.
This is gonna be fun. But what if the dogs chase us?
Cause I heard you've been tasting like you're wasted every night. Oh, you know you wasted all your rights with me.
Power button!
Better than a sweet life.
What?
Better than a cheap night. Better than the way you drag me down. Feeling alive. You're stuck on the dark side. I'll be on the new high. I don't need a bitter pill to keep me satisfied. Oh, I'm better than a. I'm better than a. I'm better than a. Hope you find what you were looking for, that all your dreams come true. If they don't, you know just who to blame. What you gonna do when panic hits? Their claws are stuck in you. Don't look back in the rear view. I'm gone.
What is he doing? I think he's trying to flex it. Hang on. Let me go around here.
Better than the way you drag me down. Feel alive. Oh, you stuck on the dark side. I'll be on the new high. I don't need a bitter pill to keep me satisfied. Oh, I'm better than a. I'm better than a. I'm better than a.
Ah!
Better than a sweet lie. Better than a cheap night. Better than the way you drag me down. Feel alive. Oh, you're stuck on the dark side. I'll be on the new high. I don't need a big to keep me satisfied. Oh,
Go, go, go!
You bloody idiot. Bye. Watch where you going, babe. Time for a beer for me. Yo! Good bloody morning, everybody. Happy Easter. Don't crack it. Everyone meet Piper. This is her first Easter stuff.
Eater stuff.
Yeah. Should we do a little Easter egg hunt?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I hope you all have a bloody good weekend. Happy Easter, guys.
That little redhead would be our perfect cover. Okay, just what I need to do. Now all we gotta do is sneak into Porky's. This is it. The last time we'll see each other as boys. Bear witness to the end of my innocence, bro.
Bottle caps.
Who did that?
Mudgy.
You're freaking out.
Oh, what are we doing, Pay?
I'm going to the water park.
Yeah, Adventure World?
Adventure World.
Yeah, boy.
Fauna is ready to unleash.
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
That goes
What do you reckon? Just big enough, kiddo.
I'm telling you, I'm big enough for
You pay?
No.
Sunglasses. Little kitty bum. Oh shit. It was at about this moment I knew I fucked up. Oh god, shit, come on this! Oh, fuck!
Mine's coming out of my mouth.
Yes.
Yo!
We went on the slide.
Yes.
Dad smashed me.
I can't see!
Don't have a job,
talking when we're doing this.
I can't complain, 'cause I'm still breathing. There's nobody breathing down my neck now.
Hey! Hey!
Dad,
Yo!
how was it?
Yeah, it was pretty fun, wasn't it? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Went on some big water slides,
Yeah.
some big rides that made my stomach come out my mouth.
Big hole.
Righto guys, that's it for another episode of Bombed Adventures. Pretty killer weekend down in toodyay and in Perth, having fun on the water slides.
Yeah.
That's about it. I think we'll leave it here. If anything happens, we'll bring you along with us, but if you liked it, make sure you subscribe, follow for more. Let's go.